Hey and welcome to Daily GA4 Tips, where I'm giving GA4 tips daily. So today I want to show you 3 ways how you can leverage machine learning in GA4. Be sure to watch till the end, because I want to give you a free bonus gift as well. Alright, the first way to use machine learning in GA4 are the insights and recommendations. And you can find those on the homepage of your GA4 property. Just scroll down until you see the insights and recommendations screen here. And it basically consists of a couple of cards with either an insight or a recommendation. And these are automatically generated by GA4 based on your data set using machine learning. And you can scroll through these insights right here. You can even expand them. You can thumbs up or thumbs down the insight. So if you don't like the insights, just press thumbs down and the GA4 will stop showing you that insight. You might not see anything here. So if I check my own site, for instance, I see a message here that says your insight will appear here soon. That means that GA4 probably doesn't have enough data. So this might be a new account or a low traffic website, because machine learning does need quite some data to work with to give good recommendations. All right, the second way to use machine learning in GA4 is by using Predictive Metrics. And I've opened up the documentation here because it states really clearly. You have basically 3 options. The purchase probability means what's the probability that a user is going to convert in the next 7 days. And there are a couple of use cases here, but you could, for instance, make an audience and include all the users that have a high purchase probability and exclude all the users that have a low purchase probability. And that, of course, makes the ROI on that campaign a lot higher. Then you have churn probability. So what's the probability that user is not going to be active in the next 7 days? And you could use this in an activation campaign, so to keep users active on your platform. And then you also have the predicted revenue. You could use this to make decisions on your campaign, like is the predicted revenue higher or lower than you want? And then you could just make decisions, not looking back on data that has already occurred. But you could make even decisions based on the predictions that are happening in your account. You can find these predictive metrics in your account, for instance, in the exploration reports. I've created a blank exploration report from the GA4 demo account here. And if you go into metrics and you open up the folder predictive, you will find all the predictive metrics right here. And as you can see, these are all grayed out, and that is very often the case because all these models need a lot of conversion data to work with. So if these are not available in your account, that probably means that you do not have enough conversion data yet. So the third way to use machine learning in GA4 is by using anomaly detection. You can use this in an exploration report. I've opened blank exploration report right here. Let's import a metric, for instance, new users. So these are basically all the users on our site that are here for the first time, at least on this device. Let's import it. Let's drag it over to the table. There you go. And let's switch from a table into a line chart. And this will give me 2 things. It will show me the new users over time, but it also shows me a grayed out area. And this is the estimate, the expected value that GA4 gives me based on the past data. So it learns from past data and it gives an estimate of where the expected value will fall. And then sometimes the real data falls outside of this range. For instance, here, 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 and here. And if you hover over this, it will tell you anomaly detected. So your actual data falls outside of the expected range. So the actual data here is 1.2K new users, and then the expected value was 1.1K. So this is another way how you can use machine learning inside of GA4. So before we close off the video, I want to give you a free bonus gift. I've created a short cheat sheet on how you can grow your website traffic. It's basically 15 years of my experience in analytics and working with websites condensed in a short document. If you're interested, just head over to the video description. You will find a link over there where you can download that cheat sheet for free. All right, thanks for watching and I'll see you tomorrow.